6 wisdom counsels for the man. 1, take your place as the priest of the home. The man must be ahead spiritually. Man, take your place as the priest of the home. If that family would have a future, the man must be ahead spiritually. Number 2, take your place as the protector, as not just as protector, in bracket, defender of your family. Take your place as protector, bracket, defender of your family. Under the watch of the man, the wife and children must feel secure. Take your place as provider for your family. Talking to the man, as provider for your family. Under your watch, your family must never be allowed to starve or be stranded. Number 4, wisdom for the man. Give your wife the assurance of your love continually. The assurance of your love continually. I have discovered that one of the best things any man can do for his children is to love their mother in their presence, love their mother to their knowledge. You only provoke the hatred of your children if you hate their mother. I remember the story of a young man who ran away from River State to meet his mother here. I saw him recently. He ran away. His father drove away his mother because his father's mother told the father that his wife was a witch or was against him. So the father drove away the mother and kept the boy. After a while, the boy began to feel for his mother and decided to run away and meet his mother here. Before he ran, he told the father, he said, you like your mother and you want me to hate my mother. Is it possible? He was only 12 years old. You like your mother enough to listen to your mother, to make your mother make you to drive my mother, and you want me to hate my own mother. A 12-year-old boy, he told him, father, I say, is it possible? Take your seat. Give your wife the assurance of your love continually. Number 5, bring out the best in your spouse. Add value to the life of your wife. Don't devalue somebody because you married them. Number 6, be a role model for your children. Be the model man for your sons and your daughters. Be a role model for your children. Wisdom for the man.